In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make text sticky in Wix. As you can see, I am currently on my website and the text I want to make sticky will be this paragraph right here. So the first thing I want you to do to make your text sticky is head over to your editor and find the text that you want to make sticky. In my case, like I said, I'm going to use this text right here. So as you can see, when I scroll down at the moment, none of the text here follows through with the scroll. So to make it sticky, what you need to do is simply highlight the text. Then I want you to right click on it. And then I want you to click on the pin to screen option right here. Then I want you to choose where you want the text to stick to. So for example, if you want it to be at the bottom left corner, you can choose the bottom left here. If you want it to be right here in the middle at the bottom, you can do that. It can be bottom right, could be top right, could be top center, and so forth. Now here, of course, you can also adjust the horizontal offset and the vertical offset. So for example, if you want to put the text where it was before and make sure that it follows through every single time, I can just set it like this, and then all I need to do to save it is press this export here, and let's preview the website to see if we just made the text sticky. Now let's start scrolling, and as you can see, the text is now sticky. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make text sticky in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.